I've just made mention in my previous post about earthquakes, how shock waves shoot out from an earthquake in all directions and can cause another earthquake somewhere else to come about. Well, what's going on? Our oceans are filling up more and more and more with water and more of the melted ice. All our ice on our planet is melting. And the water from all the melted ice on the planet is filling up the oceans more and more. And the oceans are becoming heavier and heavier and heavier against the planet. So they're exerting a tremendous amount of pressure against the planet. And that pressure radiates through the planet and causes a displacement of Earth inside the planet. That pressure is exerted against the planet, and it radiates through the planet and causes a displacement of Earth in the planet, which causes a displacement of rock in the planet. When the Earth is moving out of place, which is supporting rock, the rock moves out of place. And huge masses of rock strata move out of place, hit other masses of rock strata. Cause vibrations that reach the surface and cause a city above to have an earthquake. But the oceans are becoming heavier and heavier and heavier against the planet. And I believe that's been attributed to most of these earthquakes, all these earthquakes that have been happening throughout the world. It's the oceans filling up more and more water, getting heavier and heavier against the planet. So heavy that it's exerting a pressure through the planet, causing a displacement of Earth and rock, resulting in a massive vibrations. Rock hits each other and vibrations rise to the surface and you got an earthquake somewhere. But the oceans are getting heavier. There have been a number of earthquakes in the past 3 weeks. And you know, the Arctic temperature has reached 100 degrees. You know how much ice is melting in the Arctic region? And all that water, the melted ice, is filling up the oceans. And the oceans are getting heavier and heavier, exerting a tremendous amount of pressure against the planet. That's creating a disturbance in the planet, causing these